Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try to create a full face using only drugstore makeup. I then realized I don't really have any eyeshadow products from the drugstore, so that I do have to go and pick up. But for the most part, this entire look that we're going to create is going to be mostly using drugstore products, a lot of Maybelline, some Physicians Formula, Milani, Wet n Wild, and things like that. So if you want to see how I can create this almost all drugstore makeup look, keep on watching. So first thing I'm going to do is going to spray my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. It preps, sets, and refreshes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to fan that. Go ahead and go in with the Milani Prime Correct Face Primer. It's the one that corrects redness and for all skin tones, and it's oil free. So I'm going to go ahead. That didn't make too much of a pleasant sound. And I'm going to rub that all in where I get really oily and red. I do have a lot of rosacea, so. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. I picked it up in the color 120 Classic Ivory. I hope it's a good match. If it's not, don't clock me. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the back of my palette right here. And I'm gonna and we're gonna go ahead and start to actually press this into the skin. But anyway, next we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm gonna mix that in with the Fit Me. And the Rewind is in the color Ivory, and the Fit Me concealer is in the shade Light. So I'm gonna add the Age Rewind towards the inner part. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of the Fit Me to the outside. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with my beauty blender. Alrighty, to set everywhere where I put that concealer, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. And we're just going to press that into the skin. Now for bronzer, we're going to go in with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light. gonna take my big brush right here. Just gonna go ahead and start working this around my face. So for blush today, I'm going to be going in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. Now for brows, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in the shade Chocolate Brown. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Maybelline Master Fix Face Studio. And I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes off camera because I don't have any drugstore products for eyeshadow to complete this look, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did go ahead and put some eyeshadow on. Again, I don't have any drugstore eyeshadow, so I do apologize. I didn't realize that until I've made the idea for the video. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Dusty Rose. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Loyalist. I'm gonna let that dry for a second before I go in. I'm gonna kind of ombre it out with the lip liner, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some telescopic L'Oreal Carbon Black mascara. Let me curl my lashes first. So this is the final look. I'm actually pretty happy with how it came out. Everything in this look is drugstore except the eyeshadow. Everything else used today is drugstore. I used a lot of the Maybelline Fit Me products, including the concealer, the foundation, their powders, the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, also some Maybelline lip products as well, along with a little bit of Wet n Wild, L'Oreal, you know, Physicians Formula. So a lot of these brands can be picked up at your local drugstore. You don't have to go to Sephora or Ulta to complete, like, you know, a nice look. Face wise, I'm really happy with it. If we're not, you know, talking about the eyeshadow, I think everything looks really pretty, and yeah, it's easy to achieve. So if you like this type of video, let me know down in the comments below. I do want to go ahead and do like full brand faces. I have one video linked. It was uploaded a while ago, but it's a full face using Milani products. So if you want to check that out, I could leave that in the description box below. But I do want to do more videos like this because I feel like drugstore is more, at least right now, more affordable on some things than others, and a little bit more, I guess you can say, I don't want to say relatable, but more reachable. I feel like, you know, you could find any different type of person in a drugstore, and if they end up in the makeup aisle, there's things there that can help them create something as simple as this. You don't tend to see every type of person of every age, you know, of every kind in a Sephora or Ulta. So I just feel like drugstores are a really good way to get in the makeup game, look at different products, and figure out what works best for you. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. You can also hit that post notification bell if you want to get notifications every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time.